What's up, guys? Today I tell you about ChatGPT. Basically, ChatGPT is a AI tool for answer your question. OpenAI make this tool for generate text. You can use this tool to make a article for a blog, answer for Quora, and also you can write a script with help of AI ChatGPT. You can write codes with help of this. Many people ask, can ChatGPT replace Google? So answer is no, because ChatGPT have a limited data and many times ChatGPT give us wrong answer. When you generate codes using ChatGPT, maximum time they not will work, but you can make money using ChatGPT. You can make a website. If you don't know how to make a website and don't know about SEO, Search Console, and rank on Google, so you can use my website. Back on topic, you can write a blog using ChatGPT and promote your affiliate product. You can give answers on Quora and promote your blog, website, and affiliate products. You can find course for marketing, for making Instagram post and Pinterest theme. You can make website and API codes. But I am suggest you please don't depend on this AI tool because you are a human and you are more creative than this AI tool. You can check our website for submit